Yeah, overall, great trade. Great trade. All right.
I'm going to trim.
We're live. Come on. CPI data just came out. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. Target is here. Target is here. We're live trading. Let's see. We're at 3:30. CPI data came out. Let's watch this thing tank.
Down, bro.
We want this down here like that. We got 4 profit right here just in case. Come on, this is about to tank. All right, there it is. There it goes. Come on.
Here comes the volume.
There it goes. Cool. Let's see it come all the way down.
There we go.
We got a profit target of right here, which would be a 46 target to 3 stop. You guys do the math. I don't even know what that would be. That's like, I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even know. Like a 1 to 20, 1 to 15. I don't even know. But we're dropping.
There we go.
This is beautiful. Let's see it. Let's see a nice big drop for us.
Just want a God candle.
I'm waiting for a huge candle. Have a lot of volume come in and just sweep these lows. Total, we're up about $800 on the day per account. Right here, 813. I like that idea of trimming 2 currently and then potentially just letting the rest ride. I'll take 2 if it comes higher than that, just to secure my gains, right? We want to make sure that we have all of our gains secured. You know, $700, $800 day is fantastic. And the last thing we want to do is lose that. So let's see.
Yeah, for real.
We caught a nice earlier retrace from here up. That's why you see a lot of those arrows up here. And then we caught this bottom or this top here to come down. So we're just waiting. Beautiful play. We got a nice stair step back up. Hopefully this they'll probably retest this line and then come further down or below.
Yeah, we're golden. I think we're great.
We look good. I mean, we're currently already what? We're at 15. One risk reward ratio of 15. That's crazy. We're targeting 184 pips. Currently hitting 16, I believe.
180 pips would be great. But yeah, I do think we should come up a little bit more.
We're at about 90 right now.
I want to come up to... I want to come up higher. 605, 605.15.
I'm probably going to tap out of my 2 right here. I got my stop. I got my stop like right at that point, just to get those profits.
Yeah, and then just re-add.
I wouldn't even re-add. I have 4 going, so I would just get out of 2.
Right there, come on, give me a little bit more up.
Right there's my stop.
Order filled.
Yep. All right.
There.
I'll take that stop.
That way.
It's right where my stop was. Honestly, guys.
Let's go.
Shit.
That was the ad for me. But I'm only in.
I don't know. We kind of lost a lot of our volume. I think I'm cool with 700 on the day. I don't really care for waiting anymore.
Yeah, I'm up about 500. I'm cool with 500.
I don't really care for waiting anymore.
I'm still. I don't know, right? I've been waiting too damn long for this shit.
Yeah.
I feel like it should have happened by now. You know what I'm saying?
You know? Yeah. Yesterday I got out a little too early, and it continued further, just at about a point like this. So we're gonna
Yeah, I
see.
mean,
We're gonna see what happens here. Right here is where we want, and
this is exactly what should happen.
we'll see what happens.
Kiss our line and make the leg down.
Worst case scenario, you made 1 to 5. Best case, you sticking in with me right now. You're at about a 1 to 9. Actually, this is 1 to. What is this? Right now, this is a 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This is a 10x play.
Who caught this? Yeah, we both. Yeah, we caught this fucking 10x.
We caught
Made
this
it
shit.
great today.
Great trade. All right. I think this is it. I think that's all I'm going to take. I'm done. I'm going to make some breakfast. Great play, guys. They might keep going, but I'm chilling. I'm cool. I'm good off of it. Boom. 160 on that. I'm out. That is it. We finished with a 1 to 10. Can't be mad at that. Crazy.
Yeah, that was a fire. That was a fire breakout.
Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane.